Lighter, stronger, smarter, revolutionizing manufacturing with advanced materials. Welcome to the cutting edge of manufacturing where innovation meets efficiency. Today, we are diving into the world of advanced materials and how they're revolutionizing the industry. Traditionally, industries have relied on materials like steel, aluminum, and plastics. These materials, while foundational, often pose challenges in weight, durability, and environmental impact. Manufacturers face critical problems, high energy costs, excessive material waste, and growing environmental regulations that demand sustainable practices. Enter advanced materials. Materials such as graphene, carbon fiber, and advanced ceramics are setting new benchmarks. These materials are not only stronger and lighter but also more adaptable to today's environmental needs. Take graphene, a single layer of carbon atoms with extraordinary strength and conductivity. It's revolutionizing everything from electronics to aerospace, making products more durable and energy efficient. Technologies like 3D printing are also pivotal, enabling the direct fabrication of complex designs that reduce waste and speed up production. As we continue to innovate, the integration of advanced materials is not just enhancing manufacturing efficiency but also paving the way for a more sustainable and cost-effective future. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest advancements in manufacturing technology.